Ready for some wild laughs? Let's explore the funny side of nature.
What do you call an alligator detective? An investigator. What do frogs like to drink on hot days? Coca-Cola.
Why was the mushroom invited to every party? Because he was a fun guy. Nature is full of surprises. Come explore them at Tryarnas.
With fun video lessons, stories, games, and more!
Sign up today at tryarnas.com.